In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow to your text here in Kittl. Now, once that you have your text on the canvas like this, we want to click on here. Then over here on the right hand side, we have effects. If we click on here, we now have 4 different shading effects. Now, if we click on the first one, it's going to add a little drop shadow to this, where we can change the color of that drop shadow just here. Let's change that to black. Then you can also play around with the offset by increasing or decreasing the bar, or the numbers just here, where we can even click on these little arrows. We can also play around with the angle as well, the blur, and also the outline width as well if we have an outline. Now let's make this angle more like so. Let's do the offset a little bit more, then the blur a little bit as well, and now we can see we have our drop shadow effect. So that's how to add drop shadows to text here in Kittl. Now for more bite-sized Kittl tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.